Next point is a relation between surface energy and surface tension. एखादं डिटर्जंट पावडर असेल, निरमा असेल, सर्फ असेल, जर त्याचं लिक्विड फॉर्म केलं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये रिंग एखादी डीप केली, लहान मुलं खेळतात, ती रिंग जी आहे बाहेर येताना त्याच्यावरती फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करते आणि ते जर एअरच्या साह्यानं ब्लो केलं तर त्याचे बबल्स फॉर्म होतात ड्यू टू सरफेस टेन्शन. मग ती रिंग जशी आहे त्या टाईपची एक रेक्टँग्युलर फ्रेम कन्सिडर केली, पी पी डॅश यस यस डॅश. There is another arm QR. It is movable, means it moves in inwards, in outwards. Suppose it is initially at QR, this movable side, and this frame it is dipped in soap solution. Now such type of PQRS surface film it is formed. Now this film it behaves like a stretched membrane, means due to surface tension this membrane attracts this side, this side, this side, this side, inward direction. Suppose this is force due to surface tension in inward direction. As it is movable, it can move in inwards due to force of the surface tension. Now apply equal amount of force in outward direction. Suppose F dash it is equal to F. It is applied in outward direction and the film has a displacement dx. Suppose this length, its magnitude is L. We have definition of surface tension, T is equal to F divided by L. We can write expression for force, F is equal to T into 2L. आता हा फॅक्टर जो आहे एलच्या ऐवजी 2L का आला? इट हॅज टू सर्फेसेस, वन आउटवर्ड अनदर इनवर्ड, देअरफॉर इट हॅज टू लेन्स, आउटवर्ड इनवर्ड, देअरफॉर 2L. फिल्म हॅज टू सर्फेसेस, देअरफॉर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ F इज इक्वल टू. विथ दॅट फोर्स द QR it is pulled in outwards. Then work is done on this film. This work is equal to force into displacement. Work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. The value of force is equal to T multiplied by 2L. हा force है multiplied by displacement of the film. We have length multiplied by breadth is equal to area. Again, the film has two surfaces, therefore L into dx into 2 is equal to change in area. Therefore, suppose this is equation number 1. 2L dx is equal to dA. Substitute in equation number 1. dW is equal to T into dA. This is the equation for work done on surface film. As work is done, it is stored in the form of energy, potential energy. This energy here, it is called surface energy. Therefore, surface energy is equal to surface tension multiplied by change in area. Write expression for surface tension. It is equal to surface energy per unit area. या फॉर्म्युलेच्या सहाय्यानं सुद्धा युजिंग धिस फॉर्म्युला वी कॅन ऑल्सो डिफाईन सरफेस टेन्शन. द सरफेस एनर्जी per unit area it is also called surface tension, as T is equal to dW upon dA. Surface energy per unit area, per unit surface area, it is also called surface tension. Now next point is angle of contact. आपलं जर ऑब्झर्वेशन थोडंसं डीप असेल, कीन असेल, तर इथं बी 3 सरफेस दाखवलेले आहेत. हा वॉटर सरफेस आहे विथ सॉलिड. हा मर्क्युरी आहे, मर्क्युरी सरफेस विथ सॉलिड. आणि हा केरोसिन सरफेस आहे, केरोसिन लिक्विड विथ सॉलिड सरफेस. तर इथं हे जे लिक्विड आहे इट इज प्लेन नियर द सॉलिड, इट्स सरफेस इज प्लेन. नियर द सॉलिड इट्स सरफेस इट इज कॉन्वेक्स. नियर द सॉलिड this surface it is concave. This is convex, this is concave. Now if we draw the tangent to the liquid surface in contact with solid, means tangent here, tangent here, tangent here, and then angle measured, angle between tangent drawn to the liquid surface and solid surface measured inside the liquid, it is known as angle of contact. Angle between tangent to the liquid surface with solid surface measured inside the liquid, it is angle of contact. Now in case of kerosene, this is the angle of contact which is less than 90 degree. Therefore if kerosene it makes concave surface with solid, angle of contact it is acute. Mercury it makes convex surface with solid at the contact. This angle it is greater than 90 degree, it is obtuse angle. MCQ साठी हे महत्त्वाचं आहे, क्वेश्चन्स येतात याच्यावरती. Mercury does not, or mercury has angle of contact. Now in case of water, this is the tangent, it is close with the solid surface. Therefore angle of contact, suppose theta, it is equal to 0 degree. In case of water, angle of contact 0 degree. In case of mercury, angle of contact it is obtuse. In case of kerosene, angle of contact acute. आता या लिक्विडचं नेचर पण कसं असतं सॉलिड सरफेसवरती बघा. वॉटर जर असेल तर ग्लास सरफेसला ते वेट करतं, ओला करतं सरफेस. मर्क्युरी जे आहे हे वेट करत नाही. मग जे लिक्विड सॉलिड सरफेसला वेट करतं त्याचा असणारा अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट आयदर इट इज 0 or it is acute. If liquid does not wait to the solid surface, then angle of contact it is obtuse. Means in case of water, in case of kerosene, angle of contact acute. These liquids wet the solid surface. Surface ओला करतात ती. Mercury it does not wet the solid surface. Angle of contact it is obtuse. Next point, factors affecting this angle of contact. कोणत्या कोणत्या फॅक्टरवरती तो डिपेंड असतो अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट. नंबर 1, the solid liquid pair, means if solid liquid pair changes, angle of contact changes. In case of water glass, in case of mercury glass. angle of contact changes with solid liquid pair. It changes with impurity. In case of pure water, if angle of contact is 0, if impurity is added in the water, this 0 angle of contact does not remain constant. Also, if temperature of the liquid changes, then also angle of contact changes. If temperature is increased, the angle of contact decreases. Factors affecting to the angle of contact, it depends upon solid liquid pair which is in contact. It depends upon impurity which is added in the liquid. It depends upon a temperature. If temperature is increased, angle of contact decreases.